Hello, in today's video I want to talk about this upfox car air pump. I do want to mention I did receive this product in exchange for an honest review. With that being said, let's go ahead and unbox it. Here's a box. Your product does come neatly packaged. You have the product right here, nice and compact. You have all accessories in here, hose, instructions, attachments to inflate sports balls, and USB-C charging cable. So this is the device. Now to turn it on, you just hold the button and you see it on. It's on. It's already preset to the 36 psi. You have a light as well. So it has one mode, two modes, three modes. You have the ability to cycle from car, motorcycle, sports ball, etc. We're going to leave it on car. You can also add more psi and minus more psi. Now I do want to mention before we start, if you long press this right here, you can change the metrics of the air pressure, and then you could change the rest of the metrics: bar, kPa, kilograms, and psi. Go ahead and inflate this tire. This one's all the way down. It's literally flat on the floor. As you can see, my fingers are running on top of this tire cracks, so I might have to skip on this. As you can see, it's already working. It's at 3.5, so we're gonna set a timer from this. So it's still going and it's doing a pretty good timing. It's on par with majority of air compressors out there. Okay, so the tire was from 0. It was able to inflate the tire within a little over 8 minutes, which is still good considering it's a small unit, and it still has 1 bar of battery there, as you can see. Now inflated all the way, which is good to see, and it's still good. It still turns on. It could still keep going. And like I said, it has the light. This would be useful at night if you're trying to inflate the tire, and that way you can see where to connect the air hose. And that concludes the video on this upfox air compressor. Thank you.